hope you guys are good. Today it is Saturday, 4th of July. It is my birthday. Happy birthday. Today I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old today. Ibirthday yami ngicela ezilalini ke guys na oko yonke le minyaka. So now siyalungisa. I just decided to wear this coat and cause shop, but I didn't put a jacket because Niaz is out in the weather because yalungisa sibheka eKomani for some groceries and just pants and eat just to celebrate my birthday and collect a cake from Komani girl and the morning from TikTok. So and Monisa guys when I collect the cake. So I just did my makeup. I know it's not perfect, but I tried. Also, I just did my installation, the installer, and I couldn't do it with you guys because of it. I was late already. So otherwise there's nothing much. And then I just decided to wear my coat nails as like what the other vlog, previous vlog. But you want to go and eat that in a pan, so I don't think it's our sebenza. But I want to wear it, and yes, eat that here. So yes, but it's out here. And then Zapaki is cap Goku. And then see baby. Guys, so Bengo. Let's start the checkers as I said. Go back to live vlog and see the color checkers. So picking up around man. What time it? I think past 3 to 4 in fact, because we go man go past 4, 2 minutes past 4. So silapha driving. I'm sure by Korat to find Sabisiam Korat because of the crash. So it is better and vehicle of Bamian since it's a winter. So there's nothing much, was just updating you guys. Sana kumandika kwa ankazi lyrics sakya wings but simnandi kakhulu. And then I think environment is nice and it's very nice, cozy I would rate it 9 out of 10 for now. 9 out of 10. Okay, then the black buys a bunch. Since we love, but I get no machines.
The waiters in the middle of the chill.
Otherwise, we say
Kakulu bush.
Hey guys, so sibuyile eKomani. Sisendlini ngoku sifike around about I think 10 to 7. But asifika ngo-7. Sifike just before 7 apha endlini. Because siphume eSpur saya garage, Astron garage to collect i-cake. Unfortunately sama phayana lo mntu ebeyodilivarisha ikeyiki kum uthe yi-Astron garage opposite McDonald. So xa simfonelayo akusimfumane efowunini, but sade samfumana waphendula uba no, it's Sasol garage which is behind uMcDonald. So we had to siye phayana to go back siye eSasol. Abantu abayazi Komani guys bazomazi uSasol undawo usebhek ku-McDonald. So saya khona sayifumana i-cake. This is the cake. I'm not sure if nizawubona, but I hope nizayibona. So this is the cake, level 30 unlocked. Yes. Please bantu abana 30 something, they will come in le level in. So yeah, but unfortunately shame sifumene imoshakale kancinci ngoba kule ndawo yeflower. Yintoni le flower? Ndiyazi yintoni ishape likalove ne intrim yakhona nansi ihleli apha kwi-box. So yeah, otherwise I'm so happy that we got the cake. Now I will unpack the nezinto endizifumeneyo Checkers, and then yeah, sihlale phansi siphumle. It's been a long day. Hey, listen guys, so this is what I got. Carrots, 1 kg carrot lena. Yeah, if I just fridge. Don't touch baby, ne? I think I need one to put it out. And then we got the potatoes. Got the onions. I don't think I want to. I'm not sure. No, I'm thinking this one, really. This one. And under those flowers on. It's going to stay in this bed. Because I feel like the links and this is the now, so it's me. So yeah. Got this is again chips is one Spur. This is Spur is one. So when it was having assembly is for my room. So some my chips, the chicken. So basically, and then it got the chicken, frozen chicken. If I pay it and it makes chicken. Okay, I'm just putting some nyana. And then we got the 1 kg spaghetti rice. Last week we got 3 noodles. If I go to the baby, please. It's being disabled. I hope it's fresh, guys. Oh, 807. Okay. Sold by 0607. See, I think it's been. What's your number? This 5 piece. What is that? These are something good. Because I say 100. And then the noodles. Wow, for eat. Yeah. Oh, got these with chili. It's chutney. Yogurt is quite easy. And then aromat original. And then you got lamb. That's 200 and something. Not chili. Yes, I'm thinking date, but yeah, I salted across already. And then you got in Coke already. Now the Coke sandals for the drinking. It was 2 for 45, I think. Yeah, it was 2 for 45, right? Check us.
알겠어.
The party is not as good. Something. Also got a flask. We thought Omama is on some night. Last night, since the bottle went down, no pool. I'm going to get on the man's off. So, Kalala, I'm going to finish. Hopefully, yeah, can be shush, but okay, night time. Good night. Continue to go into yes. I was not pulling up. I was thinking. This is a very lasting. We got KP, my favorite KP breakfast blend, guys. Even like the breakfast blend too. Where's the baby? Does it too late at the block? Too late. Oh. And then, Safumana in White Star. Maybe. We got a mass. I can't call it back now. What's up there? What's the phone? Then we got amaphini anamaphini ozamisa benzamisa ngamacephe got amaphini and then i-black bags okuduli and then got ama-apile Papa's papa, so like Nesta. And also, when I was very concerned, like it was 6 months plus, and I was like, that I'm telling it was ear save on milk. So, yeah, it's a very certain exam. They were both on each other. And then we got Easter egg. Last day is two. Sky is salt and vinegar. What would you know we want? Right, salt and vinegar. The flavor is just you. And then a tennis biscuit. Got a tennis biscuit. Sweet corn. Fusion. We got bacons. Is it special? I'm not sure this is very for and yes, and second, but I know it's very special. And then got sausage, tomato sizzler. We mnandi ke apa Spur tomato tonton. So valeke ngoba inja. And then spaghetti. Because one is let me talk about this. We got as supposed to be prescription yamne and it's me ikaina. So in collector media right checkers ebrakenka. So ngokusibheka enziphelile ngoku. So ngokusibheka Komani, I'm like I wonder bana yona image right la checkers. And luckily guys manayo. And like it was so easy ngathi ku andiyazi mandiyancoma like I. And then size apha like this stuff pill chart got a pill chart and yes because this space is secret. Then I got the aromat, chill aromat. There's the beans, the peas, cooked beans and cooked peas. And then we bought the frisco. Hey, and yes, it's doing as the apple. Thanks, eating. So we got the frisco for in. And then minced meat. Bagels. Mixed veg. See here is packet. There's plastic, yes. Oh my god, I'm almost done. And then we got screening plastic. Oh, it is cheap. This spaghetti. As we chips, so the range is snake, and then here's wipes is the camera. Here I was baby. Everything I eat drink. Everything I eat drink, guys, it's a bag. And I'm like, Sana, sure. Go look at the name of Buya or Tena E. Right boss, so nice. I think they put it drink colleague, very right boss. Then, and then you know, brown onion soup for women, so. And then we got the macaroni. Hey, son. And then the macaroni. The macaroni. Sometimes again the beans. And then there's the kakamba. carrot, mixed vegetables, the fruit and yogurt, guava, guava. If it is special, it is a guava, which you can see, and then sweet potato. And then it's like earring balls. So thina amanzi kusebenza for ubheki omncane. Thina sisebenza amanzi etanki, sisebenza for yena. Sisebenza la amanzi lobeke ngapha. And then sathenga ibisi 6 pack sengeza kwebele khona. I think I need space. Then sathenga amaqanda. Ifethi yamaqanda. Go to see the beer. And then sathenga ibisi kapa. Let's go look at it. Oh, because it's cool. Yes, and yes. And then we got my favorite chocolate mousse. Andizuyitya ngoku. Andiqale ndityele ndiyibeke. Maybe ndizayitya. Andiyasawubona, but andikwazi uyishiya because andiphinde ndiye eKomani ngoku. Ndawuya eKomani mhlawumbi ngoDisemba. Ngoku xa ndihamba eKomani ndihamba ndibheke Kapa. So cool. And then what else can I sathenga ii-buns ne for sausage roll. Hey, my son, if you bought isonka etown, kodwa sina sisonka samanzi esabebizi benqovile. Thina sasithenga isonka izolo. Anyway, we were like, isonka sisilidelanga. Nasi isonka. Nasi isonka endizini. So yeah, guys, we are done. I think there's nothing much and then because my husband is making fire. I'm sure so lot of time speaking TV and yeah, nothing much coming up. In a kanjalo my birthday. Yay! Yeah. Bye guys. I hope you guys are good. So today it is Sunday. So size endlini ezantsi etown. Ndidiniwe guys namhlanje after ibirthday lo ezimisele ebusuku. around about 01. So namhlanje bengithi ngizawuza apha this side and yanyanzeleka uma ndize ngaloziphinde ngenayo i-chance for ukuza on like sizohlala. So yeah, busy. Busy yapheka. Angizopheka into i-fancy. I'm just cooking rice and chicken, cabbage and carrot. And then yeah. So yeah guys, otherwise shame I had a great day izolo. Sleeping around 1. I made a cocktail for myself. Mina ngithatha masithi so gayila kangaka. Hayi ayizondenza nto. Mana ngithi ayizondenza nto. Yo. Namhlanje nginothini usiqondisela power rate. Ngiqale nge-Red Bull. Yeba. Power rate ngoko. Power rate nafaka i-rehydrate la sachet apparently iyanceda. Ndiyayibona ndiyayiva uba khona umehluko but still akho ngala ndlela. Otherwise yeah, we had to come. Bengisonqena but ndanyanzeleka ndizi because bendishini.
Hayi phela ngiyabona nomzulu tolubomvu uyazathi ubamba uyabelungu sagobeka ukwenye nje no hayi fala lapho ifaki vile wapi unakaa ni kwa okay Eza baba bada kom
Thenga bakutheni ngaka
Iyamosa ingezeza bongo Abana bazona ngo azithandi ingane So sizoqala intaba zakho So zilala bayazi ufuna uvuka hayi zabonza baba sikolo Kwabonga umthi Inkomo hayi ziyithanda ingozi
Cha nazo zingazi kodwa ikusha konzi nayo
Phone sana. Phone sana. Wangu yega.
Ufuna luzote malumo.
Acha mbele.
Ufuna lomnyungo. Ubalo.
Hayi bosuyikhombo njalo.
Uzawuvakala masiqoqo.
Uyavakala kodwa awuvakala uvule emnyango. Hayi kodwa yena hayi uyikusha nje thini. No bangala.
Uthethwa.
Mama wayo la. No. Ngibona aba kube mandi kube njalo. Wenza ezithana. Akuthini bayi. Okay, ufakele. Oh yeah. Hayi sozibetha kusasa. Icala uvalele.
Ya. Hayi nahleli sithele. Yalifuna la plane. Yase kufumana iplane.
Uliso. Nabo uliso thobe icala. Kuthe khona zimnanzi.
Uredi.
Ngithi uliso ukuba nelezo. Ya. Ya ne diyor bak be. Allah'ım sağ olun.
Ini Pak,
Allah'ım sağ olun.
saya sedang,
Bak böyle bir bağır.
saya sedang.
Ben sevdim var.
Aku orang sabar, bisa aku.
Tibi zonga. Loa ubu ne tsawa no tshwala. O ba benya nyango ya so.
Oh, nggak usah dibisum sama orang lagi.
Ya.
Fine. Karena kamu ucap kalau di plastik itu melakukan terus di sana lagi. Kemudian aku aku bantu kalau
Ya
banyak
mana
macam kami.
baru salah. Baru salah. Ya kan mau. Anu the clock. I na 51 years.
What is it?
What is pume?
What is the clock?
What
What is it?
was the problem with it?
Wait,
Sao quê pardon I yimama.
oh yeah, you said no good at it.
No,
Mama,
no.
what is the clock? Yeah, what's this? I'm trying to, I was sick. You will see this sometimes. Yeah, no, tell it's porn on my head.
Ne?
You,
Oh, you man.
you,
Ama selam böyle ama.
Tana is there. You, Tana, you want to point.
Ama bu konuda ya baba.
Fine, man. I think I can call up to them. Go ahead and take.
Ko ba ba ku.
I'm taking.
Ya mo yo ya. Ai ba
I am bad. Bubu nga kule de ba.
bu dem ta. Le ma zingu. Ba ga zingu ta.
Azi.
Ba wan ta.
Agdo ma ba. An bad in you.
Ibe wa da ba zingu le mu kwa lo no.
Bebe, ma bona phi. Kamundi.
Aba bantu bathungayo.
Yo,
Abancele uzi.
yo got the shame zone 150 rand.
Kodwa
Noma lo tshela amathumba anya.
thatha abantu bayo ibe ngabo akaza ukufika.
Kodwa no kukahlala niphi.
No abancele ma. No.
Noma. Nja. Ay, sawuxabaniswa yilo kambe
Ngokwalo ngabenkalo kwenza.
Yabana no.
Imvalo enilunga. Otshole.
Kubakiwa.
Oblawo nje manazi kulisana.
Iyazobakiwa kuzothi phakile. Abesiphathele.
Abantu uzona. Mbeke namba yini.
Itafaya. Ye yangu.
Ayifunde nje. Yo meza yakho.
Ikaleka besiqi.
Hayibo, ben. Yo, ayimem ndiye lapha efrijini ikhona. Hayi ndiye ke pha uyibeke pha hayi.
Olu uzuse.
Ngifakele hayi. Ungashaya ijuice pha ubilo hayi.
Eat beef.
Hayi.
Oh, mas inyongo mem, pero ganyo. Ever serious sweet eye, no color of the crop.
Udawulazi.
Mano. Naleke yolekelwa ngumsini. Hayi. Umufo ngijubhe. Ubapha inyama.